Assalamu alaikum, students of IT. I'm Razia from BHSS Kupwara. My trade is ITes. Today we are going to start new chapter that is Python programming. Uh, as you know that we are studying computer science, and computer science there are number of high level languages through which we can communicate with computer. One of the famous language is Python, and we have to go through the introduction, and we have to go through some basic concepts of Python in this chapter, and then we'll go through some strings, we'll go through some lists, etc. Then you will come to know each and everything. In order to tell the computer what you want to do, we have to write a program. It it can be in any language which computer can understand. That means a computer cannot do a work at its own until and unless we give the computer an instruction or set of instructions to fulfill some work. So a computer cannot do anything until we write a program in any programming language which is good to us, in which we are good, any programming language which the computer can understand. Though there are many different programming languages, we know, such as Basic is there, such as Pascal is there. We have C programming language, we have C++ programming language, we have Java, we have Python, etc. So this Python, it was created by Guido van Rossum. It was created by Guido van Rossum. Okay, he was the creator of Python language. The language, it was released in about 1990s. It was released in 1991. Okay, Python got its name from a BBC comedy series from 70s, that is Monty Python's Flying Circus. Okay, Monty Python's Flying Circus, it gave the name to this Python programming language. Okay, Python, it can be used to follow both procedural and object oriented approach. Okay, now you have gone through introduction is that we cannot do, our computer cannot do any work unless and until we give it some instructions, and these instructions can be in any programming language. For example, is it in Python? Okay, then this Python was created by Guido van Rossum, and it was released in 1991, and it got its name from BBC comedy series from 70s. Okay, now we will see what are the features which make this Python programming so popular. Okay, first thing is that this language, it is platform independent programming language. That is, it is open source programming language. Anyone can write anything in this programming language. Okay, it is very simple, and it is high level language. It is, as you know, all programming languages are high level language. So Python is a high level language, and it is very simple. It's very simple programming language, which has a vast library of add-on modules. Okay, and then we have next one, that it is this Python programming, it is excellent for beginners, as the language, it has interpreter, and this interpreter gives us immediate result. Okay, we have to write the instruction and it gives us immediate result. And then we have next feature is the programs which are written in Python, they are easily readable and understandable. Okay, any layperson can also learn Python easily and can use it on computer. Okay, and then we have Then we have another feature, that is it's very easy to learn and use. Okay, as I told you earlier. Now we have the language is used by companies in real revenue generating products. Okay, just as so many companies are using this Python programming language. For example, we have here Intel, Cisco is there, HP is there, IBM is there. They use Python programming for hardware testing. Okay, for example, we use the company just like Google search engine, or YouTube. They use it for some operations. They use Python programming for operations. Okay, we have another feature. We have the use of Python programming in another company, that is iRobot. They use Python to develop commercial robots. Okay, and then we have another one, that is NASA and others. They use Python for their scientific programming tasks. And we have another company, that is Maya. It provides a Python scripting API. Okay, that means this Python is used by number of companies in number of ways. So okay, this is all for today. Tomorrow we'll start with new topic.